exercise 6b. In this exercise, we will learn how to find out the value of an expression when the value of the variables is given. So here it is given a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. We have to find the value of a plus b. So first of all, whenever we have to put the values, we should keep the values in bracket. So first of all, we will put bracket here in both the values. Clear? After that, we will place the values. A is equals to 2. So we will write here bracket 2 plus b, value of b is 3. So we will write here bracket 3. And now we will open the brackets. So here we will get 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Clear? Now in the next part, we have to put the values in a square. So we will replace this a only, not this square. The a is replaced by bracket 2 and the square is there, so we have to write it. Plus की जगह आएगा. A is replaced by bracket 2 and b is replaced by bracket 3. Right? And now we will expand it. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 comes 2 times. Plus 2 into 3. Because there is no sign in between the brackets, it is multiplication. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So it will be 10. Now in the next one, A is replaced by bracket 2, B is replaced by bracket 3 minus A bracket 2 and the square is there. Now we will write 2 into 3 it is 2 comes 2 times. 2 into 2. So it will be 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. Clear everyone? In this way we will put the brackets. So we will get the value of the expressions. This is question number 2. The value of x is given 1, y is 2 and z is 5. So first of all, what we have to do? Keep the values in bracket. Clear? And now we have to put the values as we have done in question number 1. So here it is given 3x. So 3 bracket the value of x minus 2 bracket the value of y plus 4 bracket the value of z. Now what do you mean by this? 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 5. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 into 5 is 20. Now this term is having a positive sign, this term is having a negative sign and this term is having positive sign. So first of all, we will add the numbers, those who are having positive sign. So plus 20 plus 3 becomes plus 23 minus 4. Now plus 23 minus 4, we will get plus 90. So this is our answer. Clear? Now let us do the next question. 2 into x square. The value of x is 1 square minus 3 into value of y square plus value of z square. So it means 2 into 1 minus, it means 3 into 2 into 2 plus 5 into 5. So here it becomes 2 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12 plus 5 into 5 becomes 25. Now this term is having a positive sign, this term is having negative sign and this term is having positive sign. The rule of integer says add with the same sign. So this is having no sign, it is plus. So plus 2 and plus 25 becomes plus 27 minus 12. So what does it becomes? It becomes 50. So the answer is 50. Clear? value of y is 2 and value of z is 5 plus the value of x is 1 and value of y is, so it becomes 2 into 1 into 1 into 2. Here it becomes 5 into 2 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 2. So what it becomes? 4 minus 50 plus 4. So it is having a positive sign. It is having a positive sign. It is having a negative sign. So positive positive plus 4 becomes plus 8 minus 50. अब हम 8 में से 50 माइनस करेंगे या 50 में से 8 माइनस करेंगे? तो 50 में से 8 माइनस करेंगे तो व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ 50? माइनस. सो वी विल राइट माइनस. नाउ 50 minus 8 becomes how much? 42. So the answer is minus 42. Clear?